Hello everyone and welcome to today's debate where we'll be discussing whether Bitcoin is better than gold as an asset of value. Bitcoin and gold have been compared as investment options for a long time, with many experts weighing in on the pros and cons of each. Today we'll be taking a deep dive into the topic and exploring the reasons why one may be a better option over the other. Be sure to like the video, comment your thoughts down below and subscribe to the channel to never miss a video. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years and has stood the test of time. It is a tangible asset that can be physically held and is accepted globally. On the other hand, Bitcoin is a digital currency that is not physically tangible but is accepted globally. It is important to understand the differences between the two before we begin the debate. The first argument is accessibility. One of the key advantages of Bitcoin over gold is accessibility. While gold is a physical asset, Bitcoin can be bought, sold, and traded online with ease. This makes it a lot more accessible for investors, particularly those who do not have the means to store physical gold or the knowledge of how to invest in the precious metal. The second argument is volatility. Another key advantage of Bitcoin over gold is its volatility. While gold is considered a stable investment with relatively low volatility, Bitcoin has the potential for huge gains, but also significant losses. This makes it a high-risk, high-reward investment option, which can be appealing for investors looking for a more exciting investment. The third argument is inflation. Inflation is one of the biggest concerns for investors when it comes to holding assets as a store of value. Gold has traditionally been seen as a hedge against inflation as its value tends to increase when the value of fiat currencies decreases. Bitcoin is also seen as a potential hedge against inflation due to its limited supply and the fact that it is not controlled by any central authority. A counterargument is gold's longevity. Despite the advantages of Bitcoin, it is important to note that gold has been a store of value for thousands of years and has maintained its value over time. It has stood the test of time and is universally accepted, making it a reliable investment option for those looking for a stable and secure store of value. While gold has been a reliable investment option for centuries, Bitcoin offers a new and exciting alternative for investors looking for high-risk, high-reward investments. Bitcoin's accessibility, volatility, and potential as a hedge against inflation make it an attractive option for some investors. However, it is important to remember that investing in any asset carries risk, and it is important to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you for the next video.